Nutrafol Women's Balanced Hair Growth Supplements are clinically proven for visible, thicker hair and scalp coverage in 3 to 6 months. While this is not medical advice, I'm telling you from my own personal story. I have used these. They were recommended by my doctor, and this is a 1-month supply refill pouch. You can order it and subscribe and save and get it recurring to you. It's also great in the bottle. The Nutrafol vitamins are for women 45 age and up in this particular type. It's a physician-formulated supplement that improves hair growth. It targets 6 root causes of aging, including hormone shifts and aging. Take 4 of these capsules once daily for visible results in 3 to 6 months. The clinically proven studies have shown that 93% of women have felt their hair. 93% of women have felt their hair looking healthier after 6 months, and all of which showed some type of improvement. It has a proprietary blend of 21 vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients, including Maca, Ashwagandha, and Saw Palmetto. Those key ingredients are very important. It's the #1 recommended brand.